Hey guys, so for today's video, we are going to do a couple quick last minute hairstyles for the holidays. I had a different video planned, but I looked at my battery just now and it is dying, so we're going to make this a quick video. So let's go ahead and get started.
So for the first hairstyle, you just want to grab a section of hair in the middle of your head and then tie it off and just pull on the sides and then pinch and pull it for some texture and some volume. I'm going to take a small section from the left side of my head. I'm going to twist it a couple times away from my face around my finger and just pinch and pull it to give it some volume. I'm going to drape it over my hair elastic and bobby pin it into place. Then with the right section, do the same thing. Just take a small section, twist it away from your face, pinch and pull it a couple times. And then for this one, you're actually going to stick your fingers underneath your opposite twist and then pull your right twist through that and then just bobby pin it into place. So this just kind of makes it look like it's one continuous kind of twist. And then I'm just going to pull the top for some texture, and this is what it looks like. So it's really cute and really simple. So I'm showing it to you from all sides because I would never catfish you guys. If it doesn't look good, I just wouldn't post it. So for the next hairstyle, we are doing 3 sections, a section on the left, a section on the right, and a section in the middle. So we're going to tie off that middle section into a ponytail. With your 2 outside sections, which should be smaller than your ponytail, you're twisting them away from your face around your finger and you're crossing them over your ponytail. Now we're just going to tighten them, and then we're going to bring both of those sections underneath our ponytail. I'm going to take a small section from my ponytail and add it into those 2 sections to make it look like it's one with the ponytail, and then tie it off with a clear elastic, and then it should look something like this. So you can just pinch and pull if you want, add some texture like I'm doing, but that's pretty much it. So this ponytail is really great. I don't know about you, but I have a 10-month-old and he's always pulling on my hair, so I'm always looking for a really cute ponytail to wear, and this is definitely it. And then here it is from the front. So for the next hairstyle, you want to pull your hair back and you want to take your hair tie, pull it through once, pull it through twice. On the 3rd time, just pull it through a little bit to create a bun. With the hair that's left hanging out, divide it into 2. Take one section, twist it away from your face, tug on it, and then wrap that twist around the base of the bun, all the way around. Wrap the ends all the way around and just tuck the ends up under the hair and just bobby pin it. Do the same thing with the opposite strand, twist away from your face, and then wrap that up towards the top around and just tuck the ends underneath the bun, bobby pin. Now here's the magic. You're gonna pinch and pull these twists. Always pancake everything. It makes your hairstyles look so much better. For my bun, I pulled out a little bit too much, so I'm just kind of bobby pinning it to try to tuck it back in. So learn from my mistake, don't pull out too much for your bun. Pinch and pull around the top for texture, and here's what it looks like. Sorry for cutting off my head, but this one is adorable. For the last hairstyle, part your hair down the middle, and you're going to take a small section at the top, twist it, add in a section of hair right next to it, twist it, add in a section of hair right next to it. So you're twisting away from your face, and you're just adding in a section all the way down until you reach the top of your ear. Once you reach the top of your ear, stop adding in hair and just keep twisting it away from your face. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight. Then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite section. Grab the 2 twists once you're finished, and then just tie them off in the back of your head. I was trying to do this one quick and I accidentally left out some hair in the back that you can see that's driving me crazy, so sorry about that, but this one is adorable as well.
So that is the video. Hopefully between this video and last week's video, you guys are able to find the perfect holiday hairstyle. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for all of your support, your love. It means the world to me. Merry Christmas. Mwah! I'll see you next year. Bye.